again. We got Ed, the owner of many, many years. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Ed?
Hello there, Mike. Fine.
Yeah, man. I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, I know, that's for sure.
Good. You look good. So, you've owned this for a while, right?
Almost 19 years, yeah.
Wow. Cool. So tell us about it.
Yeah, well, it's 210. Yeah. It's a solid car. There's no run in the car anywhere.
Cool.
It's 327,
Good.
a 1966 motor, fully rebuilt, with an M21 4-speed. It's been fully rebuilt also.
Rock crusher.
Positive traction rear end. That's just been redone also.
Great.
It runs terrific, drives terrific. It's got AC in it.
Oh,
The car is fantastic. It's beautiful.
really is gorgeous. Look how it's sitting on the Cragar, the Eagles. Radial TAs, rather. Beautiful straight body. It's dual exhaust with headers. This is my favorite color combo. Black and white. Got the 3-piece bumper in the back. Is this originally a California car?
No.
No? Okay. So pretty. Such an icon, you know?
I know, they're beautiful. I ain't giving it up, but
Guess it's time, huh?
yeah.
Another caretaker.
Yeah, give it to somebody else to enjoy.
I like it with the small block too. They run nice and cool.
Oh yeah, no, it runs terrific. Even with the air conditioning on a 90-degree day, it does not overheat. It's great. It's a great car.
It really is pretty. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Super straight body. And I really like the posts too. Man, look at that chrome up front. Listen to that. So pretty. Got the matching black and white interior too. Love the bench too. So nice. Man, super clean. You've always had nice cars, Ed. You know how to pick them. Showing 58,122 miles. Love the Sun Tach. Nice big original wheel. Air conditioning. It's got an M21 with a Hurst shifter. Vintage air. It's got a retro sound system in here too. Hey, Ed, are the dice included?
No, those are mine. Those are first.
Are you keeping
My
them?
daughter made them when she was
Oh,
six
she
years
did?
old. Yeah.
That's freaking great. So cute. Working dome light. Man, what a nice car, Ed. Is this the guy that you got it from?
Nah, that's my best friend who had the same car but passed away last year.
Oh, terrible. Such a shame. Beautiful package tray, gorgeous headliner. Rear view mirrors in great shape, looks like brand new. Let's check it out under the hood. There she is, 327. Is it a 4-barrel?
Yeah.
Okay. Battery cutoff. It's got the shielding over the headers. These are long tube headers. Sounds really nice. Got double hump heads on here, so it's got a little more power. Your average 327. Modern air compressor. AC compressor. Electronic choke. Battery cutoff switch. 210. Super clean car. Looks like it's got new wiring too, right, Ed?
The whole car is required. Yeah, the whole wiring system. Yep.
What kind of wire? Stainless?
It's all stainless, yep. Yeah. The whole car.
Great. Upgraded sound system too. Does that have Bluetooth or just aux?
It's capable. It
Cool.
doesn't have it, but it's capable with the plug, yep.
Cool. So it's got aux input. Seat belts all the way around. By Fisher. It's got a removable armrest. Hey, can you fire it up? Sorry about the wind, man. Jeez. It's a little windy out here. Sounds good. Is that gear drive?
Excuse me?
It's regular timing chain. Almost sounds like gear
it's,
drive.
No, it's regular. No, it's just lost. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds so good. Looks like it's got a blaster coil. You have electronic ignition in it? Electronic ignition. Is there a regular distributor? Okay. Almost sounds like it's got a little mild cam in
It
it.
does. It has a street cam.
Street cam. Cool. Street performance cam. Very nice. A little bit of undercoating under the hood. Rattling and the sound deadening down. Really nicely done. Yeah. Yeah, you've owned this a long time. Love the old school Sun Tach too. It's such a nice, clean, reliable car.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, nice and clean. It drives great.
What kind of rear you got back there?
The 336 top.
Okay. 10 volt, 12 volt?
10 volt.
Cool. Love the turn downs too. So iconic. We go for a quick spin?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go. That's a clean trunk. It's got a spare back here. Owner's manuals, shop manuals rather included. It's got 6x9s in the back here as well. Nicely done. Pretty. Sounds great. You got some heat in here?
Huh?
You have some heat? It's so cold.
No, it's not heat.
Just joking. So freaking cold today. Windy.
Everything works.
Good. Man, such a nice cruiser. It's like a new rear view mirror too. So crispy.